It is everyone's human right to have clean water to drink and a safe place to go to the toilet. When people have these things, along with the means to stay hygienic, they can live healthy, dignified, and productive lives. But this often isn't the case. This is Grace. Grace misses school because she has to walk miles to find water with no guarantee of finding any. And even when Grace can go to school, there is nowhere suitable for her to go to the toilet, especially when she has her period. Her neighbor's son Isaac is often sick. They think it is because of the dirty water he has to drink. Grace doesn't really worry about herself. She's strong and independent. But she does worry about others and her future. Grace is still a child, and she and her family are among the most vulnerable people in society. If things don't change, they will stay trapped in extreme poverty. Like Grace and her family, across the globe, over 750 million people are living without safe water, and roughly 1 in 3 people live without a toilet. As a result, around 500,000 children die every year. But there is real hope for the future. WaterAid is the world's leading water, sanitation, and hygiene charity. And we tackle the reasons why people don't have access to these basic services. We work globally, influencing governments, finding solutions to complex problems, and working in partnership with local organizations to help families like Grace's. WaterAid believes that everyone everywhere can have access to safe water, sanitation, and hygiene by 2030. And we are not going to stop until everyone is reached. But there is still a lot to do, and WaterAid has a vital role to play. By working with many partners, we've become experts in our field, and we use our experience to find the best technologies for each situation. WaterAid then shares this knowledge and experience with even more governments and local organizations so they can reach everyone. Because, at the moment, the poorest and most marginalized people are being left behind. This can be for many reasons, but if left unchallenged, these inequalities will trap people in extreme poverty. So we support communities to call for their rights to water and sanitation, and we work with governments and local organizations to help fulfill their duty to offer these affordable services to everyone. WaterAid knows that good child and maternal health, women's empowerment, education, nutrition, food security, housing and urban planning all rely on good water, sanitation, and hygiene services. So we work with governments, communities, and the private sector to make sure these things are always in their plans. We also know that good hygiene behavior means everyone can enjoy the benefits of water and sanitation and prevent the spread of diseases. WaterAid works with a range of partners to ensure hygiene products are affordable and hygiene education is commonplace. The solutions are not always easy, but we know that for people like Grace, her family and her community, having clean water to drink, a safe place to go to the toilet, and the means to stay hygienic transforms lives. WaterAid believes that ending extreme poverty can only happen when these things are available to everyone. Help us make it happen. Everyone, everywhere, 2030.